Hey. Shake your
There's
head.
something wrong with you.
How you doing? All right, today we gotta fix this flywheel cover bolt. It was drilled and it drilled into the side of the threaded hole. So we're gonna attempt, even though this thing's been submerged in oil, to plug weld that up and then locate it and re-tap in the thread. This could turn out really bad. Gotta use the green brake wash to clean it, non-chlorinated. Don't want to be welding on it with cleaning it with chlorinated brake wash. It's not a good sign.
It is gonna be a lot of there.
Yeah.
If you X-ray that, it looks like a piece of it looks like a sponge.
Yeah. Sponge City.
Give yourself time.
That's a question. That's a question to ask. Do you know a Polish machinist that isn't an alcoholic?
Oh no, we're not talking about just Polish machinists. We're talking about every machinist.
Every machinist. All right, so broaden that up. Do you know a machinist who's not an alcoholic? That's the question.
Bore it out so I can get the electrode down in there and then and fill it and then go back and machine it. We'll try. We'll see what happens.
You gotta have somebody far more experienced than me to weld this. Definitely not gonna take a chance there. Yeah.
Okay, but I can't get down in there.
On a fixture plate, I'm gonna bolt it down in the same spot, clean off all the weld, look at the hole, see if we need to mill the boss down and build up all the weld so that we can get down there and make it solid all the way up. Alright, so putting it back down. Cover's bolted back down in place. We gotta pick up the hole in the cover. And then drill it.
Like, that's not really much of a...
Yeah, so the problem is the weld can't really penetrate deep enough to plug the hole and get hot enough, so...
You can see all the debris in the oil and the metal ended up in some trash in the corner of the hole. You see it?
Yeah.
That is all the oil that's soaked into this over 30 years is brought right to the surface.
Yeah.
Messy.
Yeah, so now come in and machine off most of it and then build it up with weld.
Well, I'm only gonna do a small, like a 1/4-inch slot down through there, in it, so I can get in from the bottom and then heat it and go up. Because if I do a hole, I'll never get in the hole anyway.
Oh yeah.
Because you can't expose the electrode. You see, it was jumping onto the electrode and hear it pop. And
This is why you're just the man. This is why I'm just holding the camera. Knuckles on end mills.
Gouging.
Well, that's deeper than that, so I guess I gotta go next to it. I guess it doesn't have to be that deep. Yeah. Slice.
True blood.
Gouge out of my...
Oh yeah.
Wow.
That was from a-
you
that was
literally
from a
can't see
reamer.
it on the camera.
You can't?
2.7K.
Oh, that's funny.
You can't see it.
Well, because it's the lighting. Okay.
That's the lighting.
Trust me,
Yeah, okay. It hurt. Okay. the old parking. You're a wizard, Harry. You're a wizard.
Roll through it.
Beautiful. Now, on to the Bridgeport. And hopefully, there's enough to cut the threads in it.
I don't
Yeah.
like the buttons.
Yeah.
Every time you walk by something, it unbuttons itself. And it's
Well, maybe it's just, it wants it a deep V. That's the problem, is you just need to show off that chest.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
All right, 56.
55. 'Cause,
Oh yeah, I would 54, 55. And I got to do a little hand blending, try to get all surfaces back to where they need to be. But all right, boom, looks good. Did a little blending, made sure the cap fits, and counterboard's looking good. Threads are looking good, and we think we saved it. So consider this one a win. Until next time.